It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me.
Alright guys, so after our horrible experience in Hoi An, we come for a coconut boat. That's all they call it, coconut boat. So this is the name, Rung Dua.
Hello.
Xin Chao.
Xin chào.
We're paying 200,000 Vietnamese dong per person, meaning 400 for me and Kana. It's gonna be for an hour tour. This is our captain.
Xin Chao! Xin Chao, Captain!
And you?
Vietnam.
Vietnam number one.
Okay, Vietnam number one. Thank you. Vietnam caller. Welcome,
Yes.
Vietnam caller.
Yeah.
Thank you, Singaman. From the coconut boat, we come back to Hoi An, and we have come to visit this beautiful temple here. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'll put it in the description below. There's a small pond here, small pond the other side. The water is of course not clean.
And what our friend told us that this temple it's on the 20,000 Vietnamese dong.
That's hotel. And then there, some of them are the apartments. They're rented for short-term rental, long-term rental. Hoi An is all about touristic town. So things are expensive here. They try to rip you off. They try to overcharge you if you are a foreigner or a local. So you gotta be a little bit careful here. If you have a local friend, try to go out with a local friend here. Otherwise, you're gonna have to get ready to pay 3 to 4 times more. So from the temple, we came to the beach here. The atmosphere is a little bit cooler, still humid though. So the name of the beach is Baitam Anbang Beach. There's a seafood restaurant, both the sides. Here's the restaurants, seafood restaurant. Alright guys, so we already came back to Da Nang from Hoi An because we didn't really like that much, so there was no point. After the beach we had straight back to the Da Nang because there was no point wasting time here and there. So we came back and we are sitting in the restaurant now here, and then we're show you what we ordered when the food comes in. Alright, so our food came. Rice with chicken, some vegetables. Kanar ordered the same thing, rice, chicken and vegetables. The soup is complimentary, and then that's rice with pork. Soup, some water, some drinks. YouTube.
Yes, yes. Okay, Xin Chao.
Xin chào chị ạ, mời chị vào.
Come on.
You remember me?
Yes,
Come here.
yes, yes.
I came here before. Yeah, it's good.